Hi, this is Peckish in collaboration with Sri Lanka, and today I'm going to do a little something with Sri Lankan ingredients and brandy and call it my Sri Lankan coffee. So we start off by adding some jaggery into the glass. This is Sri Lankan Kittul jaggery. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. And how do you know that Sri Lankan Kittul jaggery is the best is when it melts at room temperature. And to this, we are going to add the coffee. And we want to give it a good stir. So I'm going to add about 50 ml of brandy and give it a good stir. And now the real showmanship comes when I'm going to add my coconut milk into this.